Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the Cisco Troubleshooting Cisco Data Center Infrastructure exam, also called DCIT, so you know exactly what to study and where to focus your effort. This exam covers 5 domains with clear weightings: network 25%, compute platform 25%, management and operations 20%, storage area network 15%, and automation 15%. Each domain includes hands-on or scenario-based assessments along with conceptual questions, and the exam emphasizes practical troubleshooting skills across data center technologies. I will outline what you will learn in each domain, the expected difficulty, and the key topics to master. Network is 25% of the exam, rated hard, and the suggested study time is 40 hours with a hands-on and conceptual assessment approach. You will focus on troubleshooting Layer 2 and Layer 3 protocols, VXLAN EVPN overlays, and Cisco ACI fabric connectivity to restore traffic and control plane stability. Expect to learn detailed troubleshooting for VLANs and trunking, port channels and VPC, STP variations, OSPF EIGRP and BGP behaviors, HSRP and VRRP failover, multicast issues like PIM and IGMP, and ERP problems, plus overlay and fabric tasks such as VXLAN EVPN control and data plane debugging, ACI node discovery and endpoint learning, contract and filter application, L2 out and L3 out connectivity, and multi-pod or remote leaf path troubleshooting. Compute platform is 25% of the exam, rated medium, with about 35 hours of study and scenario-based assessment exercises focused on Cisco UCS and intersite managed environments. You will learn to identify and resolve hardware and management issues across UCS B-Series and C-Series servers, handle fabric interconnect cluster availability, manage firmware upgrades and downgrades safely, and discover IAM and VIC devices correctly. You will also practice troubleshooting intersite server registration and managed mode transitions, service profile instantiation and association, resource pool exhaustion for IP MAC WWN and IQN, LAN and SAN connectivity policy application, boot, from SAN and ISCSI boot concerns, VNIC and PBA placement and failover behavior, and UCS Manager XML API connectivity problems. Management and operations is 20% of the exam, rated easy, and requires about 15 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessments focused on maintaining data center health. You will learn proactive monitoring and logging troubleshooting for SNMP, syslog, and NetFlow, and how to use Nexus Dashboard Insights and DCNM or NDFC for fabric management and proactive fault detection. Additional topics include NTP and PDP time synchronization, SPAN and ERSPAN packet capture techniques and Ethanalyzer usage, role-based access control and AAA troubleshooting, smart licensing and specific license reservation, NX, OS and ACI image management, configuration backup and restore procedures, and basic hardware component failure recovery. Storage area network is 15% of the exam, rated medium, and the suggested study time is 20 hours with both hands-on and conceptual assessments focused on SAN protocols and zoning. You will learn to troubleshoot fiber channel initialization sequences such as FLAGI and PLAGI, and fiber channel over Ethernet initialization with FIP, as well as VSAN trunking and isolation problems and physical and logical FC interface errors. You will also cover FC name server database issues, zoning configuration and activation errors, NPV and NPIV behaviors, SAN device alias and smart zoning, SAN congestion and slow drain symptoms, and F-port channel and E-port connectivity troubleshooting on MDS and Nexus platforms. Automation is 15% of the exam, rated hard, with about 25 hours of study focused on diagnosing programmability and API failures in data center fabrics through scenario-based assessments. You will learn to troubleshoot Python scripts used for NXOS and ACI automation, debug Ansible playbooks for fabric configuration, and interpret REST API HTTP status codes and JSON payload problems. You will also practice troubleshooting authentication and token management for APIs, issues with Cisco DevNet Sandbox and SDK environments, and problems with UCS Power Tool and UCS Python SDK scripts to ensure reliable automation workflows. That concludes the syllabus overview. Use the percentage weights and estimated study hours to build a study plan. Prioritize hands-on labs for the network and compute platform domains, and practice real troubleshooting scenarios to pass the DCIT exam with confidence.